Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today's topic is that the classification of Annelida, or we will learn about the phylum Annelida. Okay, so before going to this topic, I want to say that I am thankful for your subscription, and due to this, my channels will start to grow. So for that, I say thank you to all of you. Okay, let's start. Annelida. What is annelida? The Latin word annulus or annulus, that meaning the ring-like structure that present in the body. This is actual meaning of annelida, or this is the word from which annelida word comes. Okay. So first of all, we have to know the characteristic features of phylum Annelids. That are, number one, the body is vermiform or worm-like, and the body is bilaterally symmetrical. So first one is body is vermiform or worm-like structure, and the body is bilaterally symmetrical. Second one, the body is metamerically segmented. What is the meaning of the metamerically segmentation? That means the division of the body into similar segments are arranged in a linear series along the axis. That means if this is axis, so the segmentation is seen through which axis or throughout axis. Okay. This is called the metamerical segmentation, and you all know that in each segment every organ that is needed for the body is present in case of metamerical segmentation. Okay, so first one, the body is worm-like structure or vermiform body. Second one, and obviously bilaterally symmetrical. Bilaterally symmetrical means if you cut the body from the middle line or throughout axis, so you will get the left hand side and right hand side with the same part. Okay, so this is the meaning of bilateral symmetrical, or bilateral symmetry. And the third one, body cavity that is subdivided by the transverse septum. Okay, body cavity is subdivided by the transverse septum. Fourth one, the body wall is muscular with circular muscle layer and 4 blocks of longitudinal muscle. So generally the body, this muscle actually help them in locomotion. Okay, so with the help of these two kinds of muscle layer, they can move from one place to another place. So this circular muscle layer actually all over the body, and 4 blocks of another muscle that is called the longitudinal muscle that is also present in the body, and the 2 muscles generally help them in locomotion. Fifth one, the body cavity is true coelom or true coelomic or true coelom present in body, you can say. The body cavity contains true coelom, contains true coelom. So true coelom means the body cavity, and here the coelom is true. That means coelom is present in the body, that is true coelom. Okay, and that's why these are called obviously coelomate. So the features are first one that is the worm-like and bilateral symmetrical body. Second one, metamerical segmentation is seen. Third one, the body cavity is subdivided by the transverse septa, and the fourth one, 2 kinds of muscles are present, and fifth one, the body cavity contains true coelom. These are the actual external features of the annelids. Okay, and if you want to know about the internal feature, obviously you consult any book that is related to invertebrate. Okay, but here I just only discuss about the external feature of the animals, because we have to easy way to identify, not easy way, this is the easy way to identify any animal with the help of external features, not the internal features. So here we obviously learn about the external feature of the animals. Okay, now there are 3 classes. Okay, 3 classes of the annelids. One is the, and this classification I have done here according to Rupert Barnes. Okay, so the classification arises from here. This is the Phylum Annilida, and the three classes. One is Polychaeta, second one is the Oligochaeta, and the third one is the Hirudinia. Okay, three classes are there. And first one, the Polychaeta. Here the poly means many, and the Greek word, obviously this is Greek word, or this word is coming from the Greek word, and the meaning of poly in Greek word, that is the many, and chaeta means bristle, or you can say the seta. Okay, next the features are there. First one, the body, generally the animals, these are marine or maximum these are marine. Okay, these polychaetes are maximum, these are marine, and they are seen in the two form. One is errant form and the second one is the sedentary form. Errant form means the free swimmer, okay, free swimmer, and sedentary form means generally burrowers and tube dwellers, but few as tube dwellers or burrower present within the errant form also. Naturally, or you can say generally, these are the free swimmer or the crawler, you can say. Second part is second feature is the presence of numerous seta or chaetae, okay, chaetae present inserted in two groups in bilemous segmental parapodia. What is the word meaning bilemous? Bilemous meaning, bilemous meaning, this is one bristle and this is divided, okay, this is divided. And if it is divided, then it is called the bilemous. If it is not divided, this is called the uniramous. Okay. So, first one is this is the presence of numerous chaetae that is inserted in two groups in bilemous segmental parapodia. Third one, distinct head bearing eyes. In this case or in this class, the animals, they have eyes, tentacles, cilia and pulse, and all are present within the head area. Clear? So distinct head is seen here. Fourth one, pharynx. Pharynx with jaws or without jaws. Jaws means teeth, must be, you can say teeth. So jaws that is present in the sedentary form but absent, in sedentary form jaws absent, okay, but in errant form jaws present, okay. So pharynx with jaws in errant form but without jaws in sedentary form. Fifth one, they have the power of regeneration by body parts. That means any body parts, from any body parts, any new one can grow by the process of regeneration, okay. So these are the features of polychaetes, okay. Second class, that is the oligochaeta. Oligochaeta means, oligo means in Greek word, sorry for the disturbance. Oligochaeta means, oligo means few and chaeta, that means the bristles or setae or seta, you can say. These are also Greek words. So what are the features? The features are, they are generally terrestrial and freshwater form. They are found in generally in terrestrial environment and obviously freshwater environment. Second, head is indistinct here. In polychaete, then generally head is distinct, okay, but in oligochaete, head is indistinct, okay, and there the head is very small and rounded lobe-like structure, and sometimes appendages may be present, or maximum cases the appendages are absent. Appendages are absent, generally absent. This is, the head is indistinct and looks like lobe-like structure and without appendages, okay, and here head that is look like a rounded lobe-like structure is called the prostomium, okay, prostomium. Third one, body segments that lack anything, any appendages, generally parapodia is absent. So what is present for their locomotion, or what generally help in locomotion? The seta or setae, okay. It emerge as a group group wise or in the bundle form, and these are their locomotory organ. Okay. Number 4, that is the no free larval stage. Here the no free larval stage is present. So these are the feature of the oligochaeton. Okay. The last one, this is the Hirudinea. Hirudinea. Okay. Its example is Nereis. Its example is Feritima. And the last one, that's example is leech. Okay, leech. The third one, Hirudo. This is the actual word from which this Hirudinea word comes, and obviously this is the Latin word. And these are generally freshwater and marine or terrestrial. That means in the 3 surrounding region or 3 environmental region they can survive. Second one, the dorsoventrally flattened and pigmented body. Body is obviously flattened, but dorsoventrally flattened, but that means flattened in both sides. In case of animals, invertebrate, there are dorsal side and the ventral side. Suppose this is one animal, so this is the dorsal side and the lower portion, that is the ventral side. And dorsoventrally flattened means both sides are flattened. Okay, both sides are flattened, and a pigmented body. And third one, the 2 suckers are present. What sucker? One is the anterior sucker and another is the posterior sucker. The anterior sucker present in the head region and posterior sucker present in the posterior region. And obviously posterior sucker is more powerful. Okay. The fourth one, coelom is much reduced here. Coelom is very reduced, or body cavity is reduced. Tentacles, parapodia, seta, anything not present, or every tentacles, parapodia, these are generally absent. So here the sucker, what is the role of actually the suckers? By which this sucker, they can easily attach with any animal's body and obviously suck their blood for feeding, or you can say as a food. Okay, so these are the actual role of the suckers. And example, you can say Hirudo. I think Hirudo. One second. This is Hirudinaria. Sorry, Hirudinaria. Hirudinaria or leech. Okay, so this is very short classification about Annelida. So I think you can properly understand what are the features and the classes related, the features related to their classes, and obviously example. This is very short classification, so you can easily memorize it. And I just draw three or two species structure that is related to their classes. Okay, first I have to rub this, and after that I will draw. Okay, so these are the 3 rough sketches of species in 3 classes. Okay, first one is the Nereis, second one is the Feritima, and third one is the Hirudo spine. So you can see here mouth, head is distinct here, but here head is indistinct, and here the suckers are present. Okay, and here the rings of seta, these are, and these are the parapodia, and tentacles, palps, jaws, anal ceri, all are present here. So these are the rough sketches. So